Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best field dressing kit is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment you can have when you're hunting or processing game in the field, ensuring a clean and efficient process from start to finish. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right kit, including essential tools, features to look for, and how to use it effectively, helping you make the most of your outdoor adventures and harvest. Number 5. MO Hunting Field Dressing Kit. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This kit is perfect for hunters of all levels. It's a thoughtful present they'll use and appreciate for years to come. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for efficient field dressing. You'll find a saw, spreader, caping knife, gut hook skinner, boning knife, sharpener, and gloves, all in one convenient package. It's built to last. Each tool is made of high-quality stainless steel with durable, camouflage handles. This ensures they'll withstand the rigors of field use. This saw's unique design prevents accidental damage to the game's organs. The hooked tip and efficient serrations make quick work of even the toughest bones. The smaller caping knife is ideal for smaller game. Its fine point and smaller size allow for precise cuts and detailed work. This versatile knife features a gut hook for quick and efficient evisceration. The sharp blade ensures clean cuts and easy processing. With this complete kit, you'll be prepared for any hunting trip. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, making field dressing quick and easy. What we like. It's a complete kit with a specialized bone saw, perfect for preventing accidental damage to the meat during processing. If you're looking for a durable, efficient, and comprehensive field dressing kit, this is the one for you. This is especially useful for hunters who prioritize minimizing meat spoilage. What people say. Using the new knives, the job went much smoother and quick. Knives are sharp, well made, and durable. I was able to completely process a deer from field to freezer using only this kit. I used the caping knife, buck knife, and bone saw for field dressing and quartering. All the knives worked well and I didn't have any issues of wanting any additional knives or feeling they were inadequate for sharpness. The knife seemed very sharp to start with, and included sharpener is a must to have out in the field. The skinning knife, boning knife, rib spreader all seem to well made, full tang construction and nice fitting handles. The bone saw is particularly nice with a blunt end and not too long to use, much easier than having to use a hack saw. Number 4. Mossy Oak Hunting Field Dressing Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for any hunting trip. It has everything you need to efficiently and safely process your game. The kit includes a caping knife, gut hook knife, boning knife, game shears, bone saw, butcher knife, cutting board, rib spreader, knife sharpener, and cleaning gloves. Everything is neatly organized in a sturdy carrying case. These knives feature durable, heat-treated blades for excellent sharpness and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic, rubberized handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. The unique design of the bone saw prevents accidental damage to the game's organs. Its efficient serrations and T-handle make quick work of even the toughest bones. A large cutting board, a rib spreader for easy access, and a handy knife sharpener are also included. The kit also comes with protective gloves. Whether you're deer hunting, fishing, or camping, this kit ensures you're prepared for any situation. It's the ultimate gift for any outdoor enthusiast. What we like. This kit comes with a convenient storage case and a wider variety of tools, making it perfect for various hunting and outdoor activities. If you need a complete and organized solution for all your field dressing needs, this kit is your best bet. It's ideal for hunters who value organization and versatility. What people say. Everything you need to field dressing your game. Very sharp and built to last. Comes with everything you need for field to table in a compact case. The knives are decently sharp out of the box. Everything comes very neat and organized. It was worth the money, as well as it is easy to use and the crib is slip resistant. The looks of it is very presentable as well as the size is perfect. Easy to carry. Number 3. GVDV Hunting Knife Set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for field dressing, a caping knife, hunting knife with gut hook, boning knife, rib spreader, gloves, and a case. It's designed to make processing game quick and efficient. The set features 3 specialized knives. A smaller caping knife for smaller game, a gut hook skinner for quick processing, and a boning fillet knife for precision cuts. Each blade is perfect for its intended purpose. In addition to the knives, you'll find a ribcage spreader for easier field dressing and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. It's a complete kit for any hunting trip. They are made from high-strength, durable stainless steel, and the handles provide a secure grip, even when wet. The camouflage color makes them easy to spot in any environment. Weighing less than 24 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and compact, perfect for carrying in the field or storing at home. It's the ideal kit for hunters of all experience levels. This affordable and practical set makes a great gift for hunters, whether they're seasoned professionals or just starting out. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us, we're here to help. What we like. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and use in the field. If you value portability and razor-sharp blades for efficient processing, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for hunters who prioritize ease of transport and quick, clean cuts. What people say. The blades are razor-sharp and held up well during various outdoor tasks. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, ensuring precision and control. The durability of the knives is commendable, showing minimal wear even after rigorous use. The set's versatility, including different blade types, makes it suitable for a range of hunting needs. It's got everything you really need for your hunting necessities. The 3-piece hunting knife kit presents a compelling option for outdoor enthusiasts and hunters alike, offering a blend of decent quality, excellent value, and sharp edges that make it a practical choice for various hunting and camping tasks. Each knife is constructed with solid materials that provide durability and reliability in the field. The blades are made from stainless steel, ensuring resistance to corrosion and easy maintenance. The handles are ergonomically designed, allowing for a comfortable grip during prolonged use, which is essential when tackling tougher tasks in the wilderness. The sharpness of the blades is a standout feature of this hunting knife kit. Right out of the box, each knife is honed to a fine edge, allowing for precise cuts and ease of use. Number 2. KNINE Outdoors Deer Knife Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for field dressing your game. It's portable, durable, and designed for ease of use. With 12 essential tools, including boning knives, skinning knives, and a saw, it handles any task with precision. You'll be prepared for any situation. The camo-colored, ergonomic handles provide a secure, non-slip grip, even when wet or cold. They're designed for comfort and control. It's made from high-quality 7CR17 MOV steel, heat-treated 7 times for exceptional hardness and durability. It's built to last through countless hunts. This kit is designed for portability and includes a carrying case to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Take it anywhere you go. Always handle the tools with care and keep them stored properly when not in use. Clean them thoroughly after each use for optimal performance and longevity. What we like. This kit boasts an ergonomic design and durable materials, ensuring comfortable and safe use. If you prioritize comfort and durability in your tools, this is the kit for you. It's a great option for hunters who value a secure grip and long-lasting performance. What people say. The color of the handles are very good and details. Knives are sharp. First time it was put to use, my husband nabbed his first 2 deer. Did a fantastic job, quality material and neatly organized. Bought a set for processing my own meat and was so happy I bought a second set to leave at my deer lease. These knives are sharp and have held up good so far. I have processed 4 deer and 1 hog with 1 set and I haven't had to sharpen them yet. Number 1. FLISSA Hunting Field Dressing Kit. This kit has everything you need for field dressing. It's packed with high-quality knives and tools, all neatly organized in a sturdy case. The knives feature comfortable, non-slip handles and durable, corrosion-resistant blades. They're designed for both performance and comfort. This kit includes specialized tools like a gut hook knife, bone saw, and rib spreader. These tools make quick work of the dressing process. The bone saw's unique design prevents accidental damage to internal organs, ensuring a clean and efficient process. It's a must-have for any hunter. In addition to the knives, it also includes a cutting board, gloves, and a sharpener. Everything you need is right here, all in one convenient case. It's the perfect gift for hunters of all skill levels. The affordable price and comprehensive tool set make it a great value. What we like. It offers a complete set of tools in a convenient storage case, making it perfect for various outdoor adventures. If you value organization and a comprehensive set of tools, this is the kit for you. This is ideal for hunters who want everything they need in one easily transportable package. What people say. Nice deer processing set, very sharp. These are pretty durable and sharp. Knives come very sharp and very well made. My husband uses this set for his wild game and processing meat. Great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.